This is a perfect, soft, tender and super flavorful muffin recipe. I use peaches as the filling, but you can use any fruit, apples or berries cut into small cubes. For the dry ingredients, mix flour, baking powder, baking soda and salt. As always, I use freshly milled whole wheat flour here, and I thought that a pinch of cinnamon would be really good with peaches. For the wet ingredients, mix sugar and soft butter until it gets slight yellow and fluffy. Add vegetable oil and mix again. The mixture will get even fluffier. Then add 2 eggs, mixing them with the butter right after adding. You can see a little shell here. I made sure to remove it before mixing, of course. The mixture will be really creamy. Add some sour cream, mix again, then add the dry ingredients, some milk, and without overmixing the dough, just gently fold the flour into the wet ingredients. Then about halfway add in the peaches and mix everything together until you can see no flour clumps. Line a muffin tray with paper liners and transfer the batter into the liners. This recipe yields 12 muffins. Sprinkle some brown sugar on top and bake first for 7 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the muffins to get this nice cap, and then remove the heat to 180 or 350 Fahrenheit and bake for another 12 to 15 minutes until the toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. And look how beautiful these muffins are. They are super tender and flavorful inside, and the top has this tiny thin sugar crust. It's a perfect recipe. You can use any addings you want, and I hope you do enjoy it. See you!